Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make transitions between HTML files using CSS. First, let's make a CSS file for the transformation. Then, link this file to the HTML files. Make sure to link it to every file which you want the transformation on. Open the CSS file. Here we're gonna make the transformation. Type at keyframes and anything you want for the name of the transformation. Open the squiggly brackets. Then, write from. Here, we're gonna define how the animation will start. Under it, write to. In here, we'll define how the animation will end. For example, in from, I'll write opacity 0. And into, I'll write opacity 1, which will make it fade in. But you can write whatever you want. Now on top of everything, write body. And in it, write animation and the name of your animation. And at the end of it, write a number. For me, 0.7. This number is the duration of the transformation. And there you have it. A working transformation between HTML files. Thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Bye.